Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change a faulty oxygen sensor. These are also called O2 sensors or air-fuel ratio sensors, and they're crucial to engine efficiency and fuel economy. They measure the oxygen in your vehicle's exhaust and tell the computer if it's burning gasoline efficiently. Check out our video on symptoms of O2 sensor failure. Today I'll be working on a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. There will be similarities and differences from one vehicle to the next, so be aware of the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. First thing you'll need to do is determine which sensor needs to be replaced. Stop by your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store and we'll scan your codes for free to help you determine which sensor you need. Each side of the vehicle has upstream and downstream O2 sensors, and today, we'll be replacing the downstream sensor on the passenger side. You'll have enough ground clearance on some vehicles to replace O2 sensors without raising them. If you do need to raise your vehicle, use a jack and jack stands to lift and support the side you'll be working on. And for our application, we'll need to remove the front tire. Set your emergency brake and chalk the wheels that remain on the ground. Make sure you've given the vehicle plenty of time to cool down before you start working. With the car raised, we'll locate the sensor that needs replacing, which screws directly into the exhaust system, here. Follow the electrical wire away from the sensor and disconnect it by pushing the tab down and pulling the two halves apart. Once it's disconnected, use your socket to loosen the sensor, and then finish unscrewing it by hand. Apply anti-seize to the threads of your new sensor. Be careful not to get any on the sensor itself. Some sensors will come with a packet of anti-seize and some will already be treated. Thread the new sensor into place with your fingers, making sure it threads properly and smoothly. Then, tighten it to manufacturer specifications with your socket. And reconnect the electrical wire. If you have more than one sensor that requires replacement, the steps will be the same for each one. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.